In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Project Dashboard. To get started, open your Airtable base that contains your project data. This is the foundation of the dashboard, so it's important that you're working from the correct base before you begin designing anything. A dashboard is only as useful as the information behind it, so take a quick moment to confirm that your project records are already organized and up to date. Next, make sure your table includes the key fields you'll need to track project progress clearly. At a minimum, you'll want fields such as task name, owner, status, due date, and priority. These fields give your dashboard structure and make it possible to summarize work in a way that's actually useful. For example, status helps you see what's in progress or completed, while due date makes deadlines visible at a glance. Priority is especially helpful when you want to quickly identify the most urgent work. Once your data is ready, go to Airtable interfaces. This is where you can build a more visual, user-friendly view of your project information without changing the underlying table. Interfaces are ideal for dashboards because they allow you to present data in a cleaner format for yourself, your team, or leadership. From there, create a new interface and choose a dashboard layout. This layout is designed to give you a high-level overview, which makes it a strong choice for project tracking. As you set it up, think about what someone should understand within just a few seconds of opening the dashboard. The goal is clarity, not clutter. Now begin adding elements to the dashboard. You can include charts, summaries, record lists, or number cards depending on what you want to highlight. Charts are great for showing progress trends or task distribution. Summaries can help surface key insights, while record lists make it easy to review individual tasks. Number cards work well for displaying quick totals, like how many tasks are overdue or how many are complete. After that, add filters for project status, assignee, due date, or priority. Filters make the dashboard much more practical because they allow viewers to focus on exactly what matters most. For instance, someone might want to see only high priority tasks or only items assigned to a specific person. Once everything is in place, review the dashboard carefully and check whether it clearly shows project progress. Make sure the information is easy to understand and that the most important details stand out right away. Finally, share the dashboard with your team or manager so the right people can use it to stay aligned and informed.